Ooh, it's still bloody cold around these parts. Very cold. It's bloody cold. Wow, cold up here. Morning, we're just in yard. Got a new guy with us today, my nephew Justin.
Morning.
Come to join the team, give me a hand in office and quoting stuff, selling fencing. You're probably going to be seeing a lot more of him.
Morning, guys.
So, I'm just running through stuff with him this morning, and then we'll get started in yard and get some stuff organised. So I'll catch up with yourself. Yeah, so we're just been in yard again today, sorting office out. We've had a bit of a cleaning there. Got computers set up, stuff like that. You're locking up, Justin?
Yeah, I'll look at that.
And we've just been sorting out in yard, getting all the shelving stuff, all the stock sorted out for jobs. Bit of a tidy up. We've even tidied skip area up, look. And we've sorted all this. We've got his van back, by the way. There's other van, remember? Look at that oil pissing out of it everywhere. When we had the leak there, all it was a hole popped in oil filter, so it was something to note. We've got that back now. Lads are already loaded up for tomorrow. This timber job for there, and we've just been doing this today. I've just bought these. Oh, you can start looking there first. Look, we sorted all this post mix brought in for winter. It's getting cold now. Palisades for another job. These are all spare that we've accumulated over the last few years. Bits and bats, they do come in, but to be honest with you, they're getting a bit of a pain, so I might even scrap these yet. We did all this water thing, I think I showed you that, and then we've just done these today. Look, bought these stillages, and then we've stacked them all in the correct heights: 2.4, 2 metre, 1.8, which are 3 most common sizes. So we can easily access them, don't have to move about. All we do is just come away and pull one off as we need it. Look, be brilliant. Bit improvement. So I think I'm going to get some more of these stillages made. These things probably to fit the panels. Just a bit expensive at the minute, so I'm debating that, but I probably will. So that's another good day done.
I know, it's fucking work.
Sorry. Afternoon, we're just laughing with a couple of dialogues, me and Justin, with this banding machine. It's like blind trying to work out how that works. Anyway, I think we've got it sussed out now, but I'm getting back to my real job. See, I'm on Google Earth here. I'm just going to measure a school fence that they want around this perimeter. It's literally impossible to measure as you go on site because they're just too overgrown with bushes and trees and whatnot. So sometimes it's just far easier to do it on Google Earth. So I'll get this price back. Hopefully it will be a good one on this. See you later. Wow, cold up here. It's up Thornton Road, top of Bradford. Looking at this unit here. It's after some palisade going along inside of this wall here. about 45 minutes, 45 metres, sorry. Well, I've said we'll probably go on outside of this, leave this railing up. We keep breaking in on the night, because what it is when it's empty, they're going to build a lot of houses on this land. They're coming up here on the night, they're breaking in, all these wagons keep getting done, and they're coming through sides and then getting into here. So I'm just going to fence this off for them, and just a little gate here. Then eventually he actually owns all this land, but we're going to build all houses on it and it's going to get filled up to this level. So we'll end up putting this up in a couple of years, moving it further out. So yeah.
Hello, it's Justin at Airedale Fencing. So we've been sorting out the yard today, ready for all the stock coming in for the new sales. We're going to be stocking a lot of the fencing in now on site for jobs. Let's have a quick look at what we've done so far. So obviously we've got all our jobs over there already organised. But we're going to be getting some more places to put our stock, because there's going to be a lot more coming, and we're hoping that we're going to start selling it to other suppliers. Like I said, we organised that yesterday. You can see how much work is got. We need to organise all that. But lads have been on a little job today, little timber job, so hopefully when they get back I'll have some nice pictures of that as well. We can get that up. A lot of organising to do before we get our big deliveries on Monday.